Hi Nicole, happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best. At alam kong mabait kang bata. Hope you're always in good health. Palaging makikinig kay mami, kay daddy, kay mama at kay papa. And hope you're always happy. And don't forget to pray to God. And long life. And we miss you. We love you. And God bless you. Happy birthday. Always take care.
Happy birthday, Ate Nicole!
Happy birthday, Ate Nicole!
Happy birthday, Nicole! Happy birthday, Nicole!
Happy birthday, Nicole!
Happy birthday, Nicole!
Happy birthday, Ate Nicole!
Happy birthday, Nicole! God bless!
Happy 18th birthday, Nicole anak. Ganap na dalaga ka na. Mag-aaral na mabuti. Take care of your mama and papa. God bless.
Hi Nicole, happy 18th birthday. I hope your special day is filled with joy, blessings, and unforgettable memories. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Nicole! Ninong Bo, Ninong Florence, Dr. Marcos loves you very much. Magbabait, lalo mabuti, and love your parents. Happy birthday again, love you, bye. Happy birthday, Nicole! Birthday!
Happy birthday, Nicole!
Happy birthday, Nicole! Ti amo bene bene! Ciao!
Hi Ate Nicole. Unang-una sa lahat, salamat sa ating kataas-taasan ng Diyos na Jehovah sa pagkakataon nito sa panibagong buhay. Narito kami sa iyo na babati ng pagmamahal. Hindi man kami makarating dyan, nandito kami sa video. Kahit pa paano ay magbigay namin ang pagmamahal sa iyo. Papasalamat sa iyong mga magulang na bigyan sila ng anak na tulad mo na napakabait. Salamat sa iyong pagmamahal, sa iyong mga magulang, sa iyong, lalo sa iyong kapatid. At hiling namin sa Diyos na kataas-taasan Diyos, na bigyan ka ng kalakasan, sapat na katalinuhan, na magamit mo sa araw-araw mong pamumuhay. At bilang isang pamilya, narito kami sa iyo, na hindi mo makasama dyan, pinapabot namin ang pagmamahal namin sa iyo. Mahal ka namin, mahal ka dito, mahal ka namin ng iyong pamilya dito sa Greece. Salamat sa lahat ng pagbibigay mo ng kabaitan, patnubayan ka lagi ng Diyos na kataas sa Diyos na Jehovah, sa araw-araw na buhay na ibibigay sa iyo. At naway matapos mo ang anumang iyong nais sa buhay, makamutan mo ang lahat. At nandito lang kami para suportahan ka. Salamat ikaw sa iyong kabaitan, salamat sa lahat ng bibigay sa pamahal. Salamat sa lahat. Nandito kami para sa iyo.
Una po sa lahat, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa ating Panginoon Diyos na Jehovah. Binigyan tayo ng kalakasan na magkasama-sama. At kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa Cruz family. At nagbigay sila ng pagkakataon at na magkamaroon ng salasalo, naway magkamaroon ng kalakasan ng bawat isa sa araw ng magkamaroon ng sama-sama. At Ate Nicole, our dearest Nicole, we just want to say that our family is so proud of you for what you become, such a loving daughter, supportive sister, and most of all, you dream so high. Keep being who you are. Always take care of yourself. And we love you so much. And whatever goals you want, we are here. We are your cheerleader. And we always love you. And we miss you. and close family are going to support all the way. Kung ano yung gusto mo sa buhay, alam namin na magagawa mo kasi andyan ang supportive na mama at papa, ang daddy, ang mami, andito rin kami para suportahan ka at alam namin na lahat ay kaya mong gawin kasi ang Diyos na Jehovah ay nandyan sa iyo at ang banal na Espiritu ay lagi magagabay kung saan ka man pumunta at kung ano man ang pangarap mo sa buhay. Basta laging tandaan na laging mag-iingat at laging magdarasal palagi sa araw-araw upang bigyan ka ng proteksyon sa anuman iyong gawin. Mahal na mahal ka namin at we love you and we miss you. Take care.
Hello, Ate Nicole. I just want to say that I love you and everyone's proud of you because you're such a strong girl. And I'm also glad that you're my cousin. I just hope you have a nice day today. And I'm always there to support you.
And stay beautiful.
Ate Nicole, we wish you all the best and
We love you.
we love you very much and enjoy your day. Makinig kayo lahat dyan at mahal namin kayo lahat dyan. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Happy birthday, Nicole! I love you!
Happy birthday, Nicole!
Happy birthday, Nicole!
Happy birthday, Nicole!
Tingnan mo kung nag-play nga.
Hi Nicole, happy 18th birthday.
Hi! Wow! How beautiful are you in your evening dress, Nicole? May you say thank you to the Lord for reaching 18 years old. Now, awesome na? May you say thank you to your ma, John, grandma, grandpa, for they are so busy on your 18th birthday. Tapos na? Oh, next. May you say thank you to all your relatives in Nonong Pasto. Next. May you dance your Pa John as your first dance. Tama, marupang. May you
Dali tuloy ka, dali.
May you stay as sweet as you are.
Recorded na yan, stay natin.
May you be the best example to your younger sister. Next. May you help your Pa Junjun in financial needs. Wow. May you maintain your beauty throughout. Maintain your beauty throughout. May you stay as sweet as you are. May you
We love you, Nicole.
bye-bye. We love you, love you, love you. God bless you.
Nicole, happy birthday. Wala na.
Happy 18th birthday, Nicole. I wish you a day filled with beautiful moments and a future where your dreams come true. Always remember that Ninang is here for you no matter the distance. Love you. Happy birthday again.
Tagay, Nicole, happy 18th birthday mo. Sana naman ay maging masaya ka. at yun din si Papa Ginjong at kay Mama Pilipina. Ingat kayo lahat ha. Kawang ka ng Panginoong Diyos, Tagay Nicole. At ang una-una kong sasabihin sa iyo, maging mabait ka at makatapos ng pag-aaral mo at makamtan mo ang iyong maging attorney. Sige, happy birthday, Tagay Nicole. We love you.
I love you too.
Ikaw.
Ay, Nicole, sana naman ikaw maging magandang iyong kinabukasan, ipagpatuloy mo ang iyong pag-aaral para sa iyong papa at mama. Maging mabuti kang anak sa iyong mga magulang, maging masunurin ka.
Then,
God bless.